guys, Alexis here. So today I'm just going to bring you a very quick demo video of the display and touchscreen performance for the laptop that I have been reviewing. And if you haven't checked out my videos yet, it is for the 8th gen HP Spectre x360 4K 2-in-1 touchscreen laptop, the 15-inch. So go ahead and check out those videos, the unboxings, the full review, gaming. This is by request. Somebody asked me if I could just do a little demo to see how it performs touchscreen wise. So I'm going to do that. And other than that, I hope you guys are having a great day. The weather is really crappy here. There's like a storm and it's raining and windy. And oh, and hello to all my new subscribers. Check out all my vids. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Thanks, guys. All right, hold on. So, as you can see, the scrolling works really well. It's very smooth, very fluid. There's no lagging or anything. Pinch to zoom. Hello. It's very responsive. It's a very responsive touchscreen. I've had no problems whatsoever. Probably can't tell just how clear it is, obviously, because I'm recording. But, oh, and by the way, if you guys are ever wondering what kind of photography I do, there's a lot of different stuff, but here's some of it. Anyways, the colors are really vivid and clear with this display. It's a 4K display, obviously, so it's pretty awesome. Things are very accurate. I'd say true to life color. Contrast is great. You know, the blacks are very deep. Colors are bright, vivid, clear. Let's see, what else can we swipe around here? So my other photography here. So yeah, swiping works, touch, everything just, it's very, very responsive. It's quick, it's responsive, you know, works very well. And I haven't had any problems with it yet. So if you guys own this computer, leave some comments or things maybe you want me to test out. Obviously, I'll be testing out, probably doing some more gaming screenshots and whatnot. But anyways, yeah, it works really well. It's fantastic. So hopefully this helps the people that requested this. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.